talk a little bit about the time trial today. We were talking with Matthew how not a lot of people were talking about the team going into the time trial. You guys were a little underdog. We was talking about Orica, we was talking about Katusha, we was talking about Giant. So you guys were a little under the radar screen. Any surprise for you guys today, or you think, hey, we got a strong enough team as anybody?
Well, we have a strong team, and yeah, I think we knew we could fight for the first 3 positions. But yeah, actually, Orica, I didn't expect we could beat them because they are here with almost their entire team for the World Championships, and they have a really strong team. They have won team time trials before, so yeah, I was really happy we beat them. You know, it was really close, but yeah, the team rode really well. The guys were all really strong, and the last 8K it was hard with 5 guys, but yeah, I think that's if you look at the intermediate times and the times at the finish, that's where we gained a lot of time. So that's really nice.
And obviously you're a notorious climber, and you still got the 2 climbing stages ahead, so it must be nice to be in yellow this early.
Yeah, of course, it's a great start of the week, and it's always nice to be in the leader jersey. And today was a team effort. We did it with 8 guys, and that makes it even nicer when you win. And I think we were all really happy. And yeah, like I said, we were really fast in the second part, and maybe it's also because of the aero road bike we have, and I think it was really good for this kind of parkour. I saw on my SRM, I saw the maximum speed was 72k an hour on a flat, more or less flat parkour. So I think that's really fast.
That is very fast if you don't follow the sport. 72k an hour. Questions? We don't have the wireless mic here.